The last piece of equipment that I want to show you, electrical that is the Matebo Grinder. The grinder, like I mentioned, has 4 blades. This turns at 10,500 RPMs. Whatever you do, use 2 hands on this at all times. You've got a handle here and right here. And what we're going to do is, and you always want to keep it flat on the table. First thing, you want these to be cool. You don't want them to be warm because it'll get in here and it'll start gumming up your machine. Is what can happen. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this plug right here. As you can see, it's raised up, and basically you just got to work the machine, but keep it level on the ground in 2 hands. That gets the plug down to a certain point to where we're going to take the scraper to it. What we're going ahead and do is you get your plugs in, you get your areas patched, make sure they're cooled off. You can also cool these off if you need to do quick, go at it quicker, is going ahead and use some compressed air to cool them off. I'm going to go on ahead and finish these off, and you'll see on these scrapes, you just go march right on through it. You can go at it fast. You just want to be careful. You can use any side that you want. I'll do one face on, and then I'll do another one on the side using the side so that you can see that too. But like I said, make sure you got 2 hands on it. Make sure you've got your safety glasses on. When you're doing these patches, going ahead and you'll see me work the machine. You'll be working it back and forth, and this will go on ahead. I'll get the 2 patches, and then I'll finish off with this plug. Works better when the guard's up.